everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. To get started, you need to head into WhatsApp. If you suspect that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, then there are simply the three ways to know how to indicate that someone has blocked you on the WhatsApp. There is no specific feature to know if someone has blocked, but there are some indicators that will let you know that you are blocked. So firstly, when you open any conversation with any person that you want to know, then you need to send a message to that random person. If one tick only is showing while you are sending a message, then you can suspect that you are blocked on WhatsApp. It is the first step. There won't be any double tick mark when you send a message to that person. The second step is the DP or the profile of that person won't be shown on the WhatsApp. It will be shown blank, which is showing right now on the upper left corner. So it is the second step to know if you have been blocked on WhatsApp, but sometimes they might also have removed the WhatsApp profile, so it might not be shown. So when you make a call to that person, there won't be the ringing option shown. This is also the way that you can indicate that you have been blocked. So the last step to know and be sure if you have been blocked on WhatsApp is you need to make a group with that person. Suppose let's tap on this chat icon on the bottom right corner and tap on new group. You can add this person and now tap on arrow. Now you can add a group name and tick mark that. So when you tap on the top profile of the group, and if that person has been added as the member, then you can successfully say that you haven't been blocked by that person. But if you cannot create any group with that person, then you can be sure that you have been blocked on WhatsApp. So this were the three ways to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming upload from our channel. Thank you.